So this was a really interactive session, really interactive session where all of my classmates came forward and spoke, and we had so many pre-assessment activities.
Spoken English classes. I mean, it's been a really effective program.
Came to know so many things regarding communication skills, but how to frame sentences in various forms, and also along with the sentences, we also had so many cool tasks and ice-breaking activities.
It was a very interactive class, and the class began with many activities. Like they divided us into teams.
That I have confidence about my language.